Hi, this is Nolan for Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be using the Geodetic Calculator to transform my coordinates from one coordinate system to another. So I can do this for both my vertical and horizontal systems. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got FieldGenius open, and I'm going to head to the plumb bob in my bottom left corner to open up my main menu. And within my main menu, I'm going to choose my last option on the left here, Calculations. And from my Calculations menu, I'm going to choose my Coordinate Calculator, which is going to open up my Geodetic Calculator menu. So within this menu, I can choose two coordinate systems to convert between, and I can enter the coordinates that I want to be converted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this PPP readout. So I'm going to use a static file readout here where I've got some coordinates. And what I want to do is I want to bring my coordinates from my CGG height into a different vertical system. And before I enter my coordinates into FieldGenius here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose my coordinate system. So in this case, I'm going to use UTM zones NAD 83 and then my specifically zone 13. And I'm going to leave those two as is. My horizontal system, I don't want to change for the purpose of this video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my vertical system from CGG 2013 into a vertical ellipsoidal height WGS 84. So once I have those set, I'm going to hit OK in my bottom left corner. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter my coordinates here. So I'm going to enter my northing, my easting, and my elevation. And what I'm going to do once I have those coordinates entered is I'm going to hit convert, and that's going to convert into my pre-selected coordinate system. So you can see here that my northing and easting don't change as I wanted, right? Because I had the same horizontal system selected for both sides of my conversion. But since my elevation is in a new system from CGG 2013 to my ellipsoidal WGS 84, you can see that I've gone from 531 meters to 510 meters. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the Geodetic Calculator to convert from one coordinate system to another and determine what your difference is for your northing, easting, and elevation. But for now, that is everything in today's video. If you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out. And I would also ask you to leave a comment on what you would like to see, what videos you want to see from this channel. I always do read all the comments, and I appreciate every one I get. So if you have an idea, please leave it down below. But if you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.